Welcome to this short tutorial in Introduction to CINAHL. This video helps you to learn the basics of searching CINAHL, a nursing database available through Lavery Library. You will also learn how to limit and refine your search results and access full text of articles. Starting on the advanced search screen in CINAHL, consider the research question: in surgical patients, what effect does the prone position have on the development of pressure ulcers? Remember, when searching in the databases, you will first need to break down your research question into searchable keywords. Let's pull out pressure ulcer, surgery truncated to surge to find alternate endings like surgical or surgery, and prone position. The first keyword will go into box 1 inside of quotation marks because you want the database to search those words as a phrase. The second keyword will go into box 2 and the third into box 3. Now click the search box and wait for your results. The results list isn't huge for this search, but we can use the filters along the left-hand side of the page to further refine the results. If you want to retrieve the highest quality articles, we can select peer-reviewed. You can also change the publication date. Maybe you only want articles published within the past 5 years. Well, that is a much smaller set of results. Once you find a title that might work for your research topic, you can click into the item record and read the abstract or summary of the article. When you find an article you want to save and read the full text for, there are a few options: HTML full text, PDF full text, or Get It at Fisher. In this example, I see that I can read either the HTML or download the full text PDF from CINAHL. I suggest selecting the PDF, as this will give you the original layout as intended by the journal, including page numbers, which makes citations much easier. But sometimes this isn't the case, and instead you will see Get It at Fisher. Use this link to search across library databases for full text. A new tab will open, and if we have full text available, you will be redirected to the database containing full text. In this example, the article was available from Science Direct. The last option you might see when using the Get It at Fisher link is for interlibrary loan, like in this example. Just select the Request from Interlibrary Loan link and you'll be directed to log into your account where you can complete the form and submit your request. You'll have the article in just a few days, if not sooner. Those are the basics of searching CINAHL. If you have questions about searching, reach out to your librarian or the library's research help services.